What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's time to talk about a new crypto that I've never talked about here on the channel and give a price prediction for EOS. EOS is currently a top 50 cryptocurrency. Here in the bear market, I'm making sure I'm learning every single day about top 100 projects. And EOS, again, is a project that I haven't talked about yet on the channel. So I wanted to bring this video to you and talk about a price prediction for EOS looking out until 2030. And I'm also going to take a look back at where EOS has been in the past from a price point and factor that into some of these predictions. All right. So, with that being said, I want to start over on CoinMarketCap and just take a look at the price of EOS right now. It has come down significantly, much like other cryptocurrencies, right? So it's sitting at $1.05 right now, down slightly in the day, by the way, but it's ranked number 49, just inside the top 50. If we look back at EOS, though, it had a crazy, crazy run back in 2018 where it went all the way up to $21 plus dollars. Back in 2021, EOS actually popped up to about $14.50. Now, the price prediction aspect of this video is a little bit lower than these high points, which is kind of interesting. So we'll take a look at what that looks like. Let's just say it never gets back to its all-time high, but we'll also take a look what if it does and where EOS can go from here. Because if we look at EOS today and say, okay, it's $1.05, getting back to $21, quick and easy math, I mean, that's a 21x. And 20x's, I think, are just all over the place right now in crypto and inside the top 100. You don't have to go searching for a crazy altcoin that has a ton of risk associated with it. Of course, I do play in that space as well, but I like to make the majority of my portfolio top 100 cryptos. I currently own 29 of the top 100. And I'm looking a little closer at EOS. So, with that being said, let's jump into this particular article. So, this current article says by January 2030, the price of EOS cryptocurrency should range between $6.32 and $7.27, provided by some analyst from a prominent cryptocurrency firm. The average price of EOS cryptocurrency can be seen around $6.79, suggested by EOS Price Prediction 2030. Now, this doesn't say what if it sets a new all-time high in 2028 and maybe in 2027 it goes to $25, right? So keep that in mind. 2030 is a nice round number, and we're looking at cryptocurrency as a very, very early opportunity right now, and that's why we like to, look at 2025 and 2030 as nice round years where we can focus on to really build out our portfolios now in hopes that we're right on a lot of these investments. So if we take a look at EOS right now, the current support levels are $1.85, current resistance 115 and 185 in this bear market. However, if EOS had a market cap of 7.4 billion, it would be worth $7.27. This is that high point in that prediction model that I just went over in that article. That would be an upside of about 592%. Now, we go over to cryptoprofitcalculator.com, and let's just say we had $10,000 into EOS at a strike price of the current price at $1.05, and we weren't going to sell until we hit the high end of that price prediction in 2030 at $7.27. Well, you can see 792% gains. We would make about $60,000. Now, pretty interesting profit. We would pull out 70,000, but a profit of 60,000 would be had. That would be about a 6x, 7x away from here. All right. So, with that being said, what if we get back to an all-time high? Let's just say EOS goes back to $22. Well, then we're looking at a big, big gain. That would be a gain of about $200,000 with a $10,000 investment. And there are a lot of people who are still extremely bullish on EOS. Some say it had its day back in 2017 and 2018, that it's been passed up by other blockchains. However, it's still a $1 billion market cap. and they are still building. Okay. And this is why it's so hard to only invest in a couple different cryptocurrencies. There are so many projects like this out there, like EOS, that are sitting there ranked number 49 or ranked number 62. And they had this big run up in 2017 and 2018. Yes, some cryptos have passed them up in the last few years, but they're still here. They're still building. They're still early, right? Because we're only at 5% adoption. But what I would tell you is do your research, do your own due diligence, look deeper into this. And this gives you a nice starting point for EOS in terms of what they're doing. Now, I do want to kind of give you a little bit of information on that front. The EOS network is an open source blockchain platform that prioritizes high performance, flexibility, security, and developer experience. They are a third generation blockchain platform powered by EOS Virtual Machine. They have an extensible web assembly engine for deterministic execution of near feeless transactions. This I like to see. I do think the future of feeless or close to feeless transactions will go over well with the masses, right? Now, EOS is the market's most scalable, divisible, and programmable digital currency. EOS is a delegated proof of stake network. I like that. It's already proof of stake, where stakeholders have the authority to select node operators. Due to the decentralized nature of the token distribution on EOS, power doesn't reside in the hands of block miners, but rather all parties involved in the EOS network. It's also attractive for two reasons: the tech and the community. It allows developers to build projects that other blockchains just can't support. The network is straightforward and has multiple tools and educational resources to help users acclimate to the blockchain. So, real quick note too, as of September 21st, 2022, last month, EOS achieves full independence. Through our commitment to empower people for a better tomorrow, we are proud to bring our collaborative approach and technical expertise to reach this milestone. The EOS Network Foundation was forged through a vision for a prosperous future of the EOS network. So they're still building, and many of the other top projects out there are. That's why it's important to look out until the future as you're doing your due diligence. Which companies and projects do you see performing well over the next 2 to 5 to 10 years? Thank you all so much. Let me know what you think about this price prediction. If you're in the EOS community, I would love to hear from you. Why are you so bullish on EOS? Let me know down below in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.